Hello everybody, we are friendly team. Last week we have an opportunity to go to one of the most attractive places in Ho Chi Minh City, the War Remnant Museum. The War Remnant Museum is situated at 28 Võ Văn Tần, Võ Thị Sáu Ward, District 3. Here we were told about the fighting spirit of Vietnamese people in the past. The War Remnant Museum is a modern building with 3 floors. It is not lively like other places, but this museum has a special attraction. The museum topic arrangement is mainly about the community and for the community, focuses on creating stories to connect from the past to the future, concurrently organizes activities which associate with the exhibitions. There is an open-air exhibition outside the museum with airplanes and tanks model. They are all the transportation of Vietnamese soldiers in Vietnam wars in the past. On the left side of the museum is a place called Tiger Cages, which simulates the imprisonment system in Vietnam wars. When you come and take a look at this place, you can feel how miserable our people were tortured. That is the outside of the museum. Then we went inside the museum where we had some mini games to learn more about this museum. The main topic of the ground floor is the work supports Vietnam in its resistance to US aggression. There are about 100 pictures and 145 documents about artifacts, record, anti-war protests. The room on the left side of the ground floor is the temporary exhibition. The topic of this exhibition will be changed all year round. Then we go to the first floor. The first floor has 3 exhibitions. On the left side of the stair is the exhibition called War Crimes. It is one of the most biggest exhibitions in this museum. It has 125 pictures, 22 documents, and 243 items, such as weapons. Like its name, when you come inside this exhibition, you will see crimes, evidences, and horrible consequences of war for Vietnam and its residents. On the right side of the stair, there is an exhibition called Agent Orange Consequences through children paintings. Those paintings show clearly the cruelty of the consequences which was brought to our people. The Agent Orange. Opposite the War Crimes exhibition is the Agent Orange Effects exhibition. It is definitely the saddest exhibition in this museum. Pictures of people who were the victims of the Agent Orange effects in the anti-American wars make us feel very heartbroken. Although the war ended, the Agent Orange effect still rages nowadays. When you just came upstairs, you would see an exhibition called Requiem. Requiem is an album about the Vietnam Wars by 2 English journalists named Tim Page and Hot Fast, with the help of the Vietnamese news agency. The album includes 275 pictures of 134 news reporters from 11 different countries had died when doing their job on the Indochina battlefield. Next to it is an exhibition called Vietnam War and Peace. It includes 123 pictures of a Japanese photographer named Ishikawa Bunyo. Next is the Historical Truth exhibition. It has 66 pictures, 20 documents, and 153 objects. All of them represent the French and American soldiers started invading Vietnam history. After getting independence on the south side of Vietnam and defeating the French army, the American army had intervened in the war and had destroyed the Geneva Agreement. Other images have us imagining the cruelty and horribleness of war. After visiting the War Remnant Museum, we have seen the images of Vietnam War and the horrible consequences that it made. We always remember the proverb, drinking water, remember its source, to remember the Vietnamese soldiers who revolted against the invader to keep the independence for our country. We are the next generation, the future of the country. We need to be hardworking to create a better Vietnam. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening.